Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure YouTube has focus and shortcuts are enabled for your session. Press to open the built-in cheat sheet and glance through common keys like K, J, L, and numbers 09. You should be signed in so preferences like playback speed persist. Once done, click the video player area to ensure keystrokes go to YouTube rather than your browser or an extension. This initial focus step prevents missed commands when you need them. Now you practice controlling playback. Press K to play or pause, and use J or L for 10-second rewinds or forwards. This is faster than dragging the timeline. Numbers 0 through 9 jump to 0% through 90% of the video, which quickly lands you near sections you need. For fine control, press or to move one frame at a time when available. Once you master these combos, navigating long videos becomes precise and fast, saving time during review or editing. Finish by learning advanced shortcuts that tweak playback and accessibility, and period and comma, change speed in small increments, and M mutes or unmutes audio. You might also use Shift+N and Shift+P for chapters. If shortcuts stop working, make sure the video player has focus and then disable any browser extensions that capture keys. Alternatively, check your OS keyboard shortcuts for conflicts. Once fixed, these steps restore instant, reliable control so you can work without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.